Earth's Diaries. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of longevity in the animal kingdom. Do share our videos, like, comment and subscribe to our channel to encourage us to continue to produce excellent content for you. In today's video, we'll dive into the remarkable lives of the world's longest-lived animals. These extraordinary creatures defy the aging process and have stood the test of time. Get ready to be amazed as we count down the top 10 animals that seemingly never grow old. Let's begin. Number 10. The Greenland Shark. Found in the cold waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic, these enigmatic creatures are believed to live for centuries. Their slow metabolism and low activity levels contribute to their astonishing longevity. Number 9. The Galapagos Giant Tortoise. These iconic reptiles are known for their longevity, with some individuals exceeding 100 years. Their slow metabolism and sturdy shells contribute to their impressive lifespan. Number 8. The Orange Ruffy. These deep-sea fish can live for over 100 years. Their slow growth rate and ability to adapt to extreme conditions in the depths of the ocean contribute to their incredible lifespan. Number 7. The macaw parrot. These vibrant birds can live for several decades, with some species known to reach the century mark. Their intelligence, adaptability, and strong social bonds contribute to their long lives. Number 6. The bowhead whale. These majestic marine mammals can live for centuries, with the oldest known individual reaching a staggering age of over 200 years. Their massive size, thick blubber, and ability to navigate icy waters contribute to their astonishing lifespans. Number 5. The African elephant. These magnificent animals can live for over 60 years in the wild. Their large size, strong family bonds, and complex social structures contribute to their extended lifespans. Number 4. The red sea urchin. These spiky creatures have an incredible lifespan, with some individuals living for more than 200 years. Their slow growth rate and ability to regenerate contribute to their remarkable longevity. Number 3. The marine turtle. Various species of marine turtles can live for several decades to well over a century. Their long lifespan is attributed to their slow metabolism, efficient oxygen storage, and their ability to navigate vast oceanic distances. Number 2. The African Giant Tortoise. These amazing reptiles have been known to live for well over a century, with some individuals reaching ages of 150 years or more. Their slow metabolism, low energy expenditure, and ability to adapt to various habitats make them the true champions of longevity. And finally, our number 1 longest-lived animal. The ocean quahog. The ocean quahog, Arctica islandica, is also known by a number of different common names, including Icelandic cyprine, mahogany clam, mahogany quahog, black quahog, and black clam. These bivalve mollusks hold the record for the longest confirmed lifespan, with the oldest known individual reaching a staggering 507 years. Their ability to withstand extreme conditions and their remarkable longevity make them true marvels of the animal kingdom. Their extraordinary lifespans inspire awe and curiosity. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the animal kingdom. Share our videos, like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content. Closing music fades out.